little bit more on the top end. Remember, he was through the speed traps earlier in the weekend. 206 miles per hour on that R1 Yamaha.
Up in front of the battle for second and third, just over the last straightaway. Your leader already leads the game.
That's by. They're going to get the white flag. He's going to be out here for Martin Cardenas and the rest of the field. Superbike race number 2 here at Daytona. Martin Cardenas, all by himself, 10, 11 seconds ahead of the battle is going on for second. Here comes Cardenas, the white flag out at the line. He is less than a lap away from first Superbike here at Daytona. As he works back to the line, here's that battle for second. Herring on the number 2 machine just ahead of Tekla. Here for Herring as they head back into turn number 1. We're close to a minimum of 3 or 4 bike laps. And the get back to the battle between Roger Hayden and Eddie Eslick. It is Hayden who holds on to 4th. Eslick number 23 on the Jordan Suzuki. Right there in the 5th place position. And he'll pull down coming out between the two Jordan Suzuki riders as they work down the infield straightaway for the final time. That was going to go right down the wire as well, which Cardenas appears to be long gone. But we're looking at a couple of dandy two-rider battles here for the rest of the positions in the top 5.
Here comes Aaron. Hard to the right here. Lane, trying to get close. Trying to get a toe off the number 2 machine. Down the back straightaway. Aaron pulls it just a little bit, but on the brakes. Here comes Pedro. Boy, it's ready. He'll head to go to about 4 bike lanes, 3 bike lanes, 2 bike lanes. He's right from Aaron as they work their way out of the game.
And Pedro grabs the lead into the chicane. And here comes Aaron trying to go back around him. Larry Pedro did get around, and now Aaron has gotten around in. Here's the center flag at the line. Martin Cardenas is taking the win. Here comes the battle for second from the line. Aaron in second. Here comes Pedro trying to grab by at the line. Side by side. But it'll be Aaron who will hang on for the number 2 spot. It'll be Larry Pedro in the 3rd. And then up across the line, Roger Hayden just ahead of Danny Eslick. But Martin Cardenas from the Yoshimura Factory Suzuki takes the win here this morning at Daytona as he works his way down the infield straightaway. So that is going to be your fourth victory going to the next round of the championship with his second yesterday and his win here this morning. And of course, Josh Herring with the first and second. They're very, very close. Here is Josh Herring over there in the turn 1 area. And congratulations from his teammate Josh Hayes as he will make his way back on around. But Martin Cardenas, the great one, let's get it away from the run down here. Cardenas, your winner. Josh Herring is second. Larry Pedro 3rd. Those are the 3 riders going to be doing victory lane. They'll be checking in with Barry Good. Roger Hayden on the National Guard, Jordan Suzuki